What's up, you guys? It's Jason from RPM Side by Side, and we're going to check out the RPM seat risers for your Polaris XPEDITION. We've sold these for a while and just now getting around to a video because they're pretty self-explanatory, but I wanted to show you guys some stuff because I'm 6'2", and everyone thinks that they can't do seat risers because they're so tall. So I think even if you were like 6'4", 6'6", you would still have enough headroom. This machine has a really tall roof. So check it out. This car has seat risers in it. I'm 6'2", let's hop in. This is what the seat risers look like. This is me in the car. Plenty of room. I'm good. I can, wherever I move the seat, I'm good. So you have to be really tall for these not to work, which is, if you are, that's great. These seat risers. What these do is when you're in the Polaris XPEDITION, it's just literally like 2 inches. It cuts off the front hood line of the car and almost puts your line of vision here at the windshield. And you can't see the front of the car. So when you get up, it's just that much easier to see the entire front of the car. You can see the end of the hood. It makes driving it so much more enjoyable. My wife is super short. She loves the seat risers. She could go for stacking them almost and she'd be happy. So don't recommend that, by the way. The seat risers themselves are aluminum, extremely thick, powder coated. They're clearance for the factory seat bolts, and then our replacement seat bolts are grade 10 hardware, so drastically stronger than the factory ones. And that's kind of what sets our kit apart from all the plastic spacers and stacking washers and all the doohickey stuff you see online, guys trying to pedal. These are our seat risers. Again, aluminum, powder coated black, grade 10 hardware, super easy to install. You slide the seat all the way back and you can take out the 2 10mm bolts in the back of the seat, and then you slide it all the way forward and you take the 2 10mm bolts on the front of the seat out, and then it's that easy. It's just 4 bolts. So really don't have a good set of instructions for it. It's all pretty common. Undo the bolt, put the bolt back in stuff. These work on the front passenger or driver side. You can pick them up, rpmsidebyside.com. If you're looking for more parts, we have silicone kits, clutch fans, we have exhaust, so a ton of parts for the Polaris XPEDITION. We really love this machine and we loved working on it. Yeah, go get yourself one.